this is the Masterdam 4-piece 2.2-inch herb grinder. So it's made with high quality aluminum, and the top is a magnet, which works very well. And when you get your grinder, you'll notice the teeth are very sharp, so you can shred and fluff your herb with ease. And so your herb will be ground through this section into this compartment that has a mesh screen. Your herb will collect in this section, and through the mesh screen, it will collect the pollen. And each of these grinders come with a little mini scraper for collecting pollen. Thanks for watching. You can find a variety of grinders and stash shield jars on the Masterdam website or Amazon.com.